Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll try to draw a fridge. For that I just took a rectangle and I'll draw another rectangle. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Now I just took a rectangle shape. Okay. So let's try to. I just rub the side part that I can give some 3D view. Yeah. Okay, now yeah, for down part also 3D view. I just rub the straight line and now I think I should no, I think for door handle, but it's not. I think no, it's not looking great. Yeah, that is actually looking great. And for downside I think it's like this. Okay, now I think I should join that one and then I can color that one. So now I need to color. So for that I have to take color bucket, but before that I want to just place it nicely. Then I took text box and I just want to write the name and select, and I have to just place the name on perfect place. Now I need to color. It's over. Thank you. Oh, sorry, door. Yeah, and the border. Yeah. Thank you. So open your copy or page. Take a page and take a pencil, and you can draw it. Thank you.